So now let me give you a quick overview of what you are going to learn in this course so that I don't waste your time, okay? In the first section, we are going to see what affiliate marketing is and how it works, and how you can make money online as affiliate marketer. Also, we're going to talk about why most people trying to make money online as affiliate marketer or else fail again and again. I'm going to give you some reasons for that and how you can avoid them. In the second section, section 2, let's talk about how to plan your business. And here also it's where people are missing it. Okay, most people don't plan their business at all. They just jump into the online business like that. Result, they fail. That's why I say you should take your business seriously. Also in this section, I will show you how to find a profitable and scalable niche. Then I will show you how to build a strong business plan. Really important if you want your business to grow and succeed. I will show you step by step how to do that, don't worry. And I will tell you why you should do it the way I will teach you. The third section is about affiliate programs. More precisely, how to find high-paying affiliate programs. Okay, we are here to make money, right? I mean big money, even huge money. That's why I will also talk about how to find a great product to promote on ClickBank. ClickBank is actually an amazing online platform where you can find great digital products to promote with high-paying commissions. Okay, I will show you in detail later on in this course. The section 4 is great because now we'll be talking about one of the most strategic elements of your online business, your website. Let me tell you something here. Whatever niche you're going to choose or whatever product or service you choose to promote, the competition is going to be stiff and tough. So you can't afford to neglect your website because this is the first thing people consider to see if they should trust you or not. And trust me, trust is very important in online business, okay? In this session, I'm going to show you how to plan a professional website. Very important. Never build a website without planning it. And then I will show you how to build it using WordPress. Also, I will talk about domain name, website hosting, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it. After all that, let's build your website step by step. And I made this in 5 videos because I didn't want the videos to be too long, okay? Okay, section 5, or one of the most important part of this course, because you can choose a profitable niche, have a good product to promote, build an amazing website. But if nobody goes there, I mean on your website, nobody is gonna purchase the product or service you are promoting, and you won't make any money. You need to drive a big and targeted traffic on your website because the more traffic you bring to your site, the more money you make. I'm going to show you how to drive a big and targeted traffic using one of the most powerful tools internet marketers are using today called Solo Ads, which is actually a great way to grow your email lists quickly. Also, I will teach you how to use Facebook to drive a big traffic to your site with very little money so that you can justify that advertising on Facebook is still working, okay? And finally, in the last section, let's conclude this amazing course. I will give you professional tips and tricks on how to grow your customer list quickly and how to grow your business in general. You will quickly realize that the most difficult thing in this business is not how to make money, but how to make money on the long run, okay? So this is what we're gonna be doing in this course. Now have a good look at it and see if it's suitable for you so that you don't waste your time and money. But for those who really want to make money online as affiliate marketer, let's move on.